Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain different types of table styles. Okay, so guys, Excel by default provide 50 different types of table formats. Okay, so if you know what type of format you are apply, that particular format is automatically highlighted over here in this table formats. Okay, and also if you want to design your tables based on this header row, if you uncheck this option, automatically this header gets disappear. Okay, so these are the branded rows. If you select this, that particular row get highlighted. If you select this branded columns, see automatically this particular column gets highlighted. Along with, we have different types of options are available in this particular table styles. Okay, if you select this option, automatically it will give all bottom borders, top borders highlighted, left border highlighted. Okay, so these are the different types of options are available in this particular table styles. Okay, so just click on this design tab. See here we have different types of table formats are available. Along with, if you want to clear any new style option also available. Okay, this option I will discuss coming sessions. Right now we are focused only what are the options are available for table styles. Okay, so if you want to create customized table also is possible by selecting this option. See, now here we can select whatever options we need. We can select those options over here. Okay, so and also if you want to set particular table format as a default, just select that particular format. Okay, right click. Okay, so right click, see here we have option called set as default option is available. Okay, this default option is applied whenever you are creating table, that format is automatically applied. Okay, these are the different types of formats and options are available in table styles. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.